Sprite challenge. So me and Steph are going to do the Sprite challenge with an actual bottle of Sprite, because last time we did it with a can.
Zero sugar then.
It is zero sugar, unfortunately.
It's so hard to find.
I cannot find bottles of Sprite anywhere. I can only find cans. Oh, that popped.
Oh, these silly lids.
Yay!
Yeah, that's okay.
Cheers.
Right.
I can't drink faster. I feel the quicker you do it, the more chance you have of getting through.
Oh no.
You lose.
Like 2 goals.
Ouch. Oh fuck.
Animal.
Oh my god.
My eyes won't. I'm like at the third of the way down. I'm still up at the label.
I drank half of it. Well, I think that's half. But I failed.
Do we need to drink all of it?
Well, we've already burped. The challenge was to drink it all without burping.
This is a bad. I think you just drink it now.
I can just drink it
See
all.
what happens.
Pop noodle.
Oh, I've got goosebumps now. I think I'm gonna be sick.
Why is Sprite 10 times more fizzy than any other fizzy drink?
No, it can't be the sugar. There's no sugar in this one. I nearly threw up.
Boom! Can't do it.
Whose idea was this?
Pardon me.
Can't do it.
So close then.
He's like, hurry up.
I'm watching you.
That was gurgly. Sorry, does that smell?
I think it's because Sprite is real foamy. Like it goes foamy in your body.
Shall I drink it all?
You don't have to drink it all if you don't want
I
to.
don't think I can.
I don't want to be cleaning some throw up anyway.
Oof.
I think your upchuck reflexes are about to.
All someone's got to do is make the noise and that's it. I go. No, because I will.
Pardon me.
4 out of 10, that one. Blech. Blech. Done. Because you will clean it up if you make me sick intentionally.
Have you seen them people that they're like every time they hear that noise they make someone be sick, and then things work, and
Yeah.
things actually work on them.
I saw a video the other day, I had to turn it off. I was like, blech.
You can do it. Steffi, 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 Steffi.
Made me laugh.
Come on.
Alright, woman.
Come on. Yay. She did it.
I told you I'm not a fast drinker.
Next time. Maybe